Hello and welcome to Bell CB, everybody. Today we're looking at an Alpha 10 Alpha Max Am-1000. This is for Bill in Oregon. And this is a tune-up report. This is what we got on this radio. All the way up. Let's put it on the 30 watt scale here. All the way up, 11 watts. And I'll turn it back to the 10 watt scale and then turn the power all the way down. And about 1.5 watts all the way down. And on my 50 watt peak reading meter, we'll be looking at right there 30, 40, 50.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
Right. And on the sideband. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's working good.
But I'm giving you the weekend wave. Ocean, 208 Stovepipe, State of Maine. God bless you, family on that end, my brother.
How about his stovepipe? How about his stovepipe? You got a copy on South Florida.
Yeah, I got a copy on you down in South Florida. Let's do it.
Damn, we're sounding good down here, stovepipe on top of everybody. Screwdriver waving a hand. Thank you very much.
Hey, no doubt, no doubt. Hey, there's a guy talked to there, Shank, there down in Florida, and I was just trying to get through. I don't know if he heard me or not, but I was trying to punch through that hash and trash.
Well, you were definitely punching through it. You're getting all over Fort Lauderdale. He must hear you if he was out here.
10-4, 10-4, I hear you. I'll tell you what, it's rough out here today. Oh, it's rough out here today. But anyway, you can talk to that old Shank. I'll put the floor on up. And welcome to the weekend. You did a good job.
Alright, if I hear from Shank, I'll tell him you called him. We're going to get it back out of here. Screwdriver, South Florida. We're back out.